Sound engineers, music producers also need health and fitness tips. See, after all, you contribute a lot to the music industry, and entertainment industry is huge. If you want to keep producing hits, you have to focus on your health, and here are some points I will share that will be beneficial for you. So let's see. Now, the engineers and producers, they spend a lot of time on the screen. So they use something known as the digital audio workstation. So they have to look at the sound waves, and they have to make a lot of technical changes in a song which makes the song sound good. So this requires long hours in front of the screen. So the first thing what you can do is, whenever you're taking a break, during a break time, don't scroll on your phone. A break time should be free of devices. Here's when you go out and maybe look outside of your house or the studio. Look outside somewhere, look at some trees, look at nature, look at different colors, look at something that is long distance. Maybe a flight that is taking place, maybe a construction site far away. Trace the movement of birds, trace any moving objects with your eyes, because you're looking at short range. Also get your eyes used to a long range. Second thing is, make sure that you have some ventilation source in your studio. If you do not have a sunlight source, maybe you can arrange your studio in a way that you might get some natural sunlight. At least make sure that there is a window or a door which can give you good ventilation, so you are breathing the same air over and over again. The AC is on, you're sitting there for so long. If those facilities are not available, go out, get some sun, get some fresh air. Okay, breathe some fresh air, because you're in the studio with that stale air over and over again. Especially if there are a lot of people in the studio, you need ventilation, you need fresh air, you need sunlight for your skin as well. Now, in the market, there's something called as the blue light blocking glasses. You can ask your ophthalmologist. If you have eye problem, of course your ophthalmologist will suggest you the correct eyewear. The market is divided. Some say it is not authentic, it's marketing gimmick. Some of them say that, okay, it's beneficial, it's helping me sleep, but that depends on what you want to do. And if a blue light blocking glass is going to be beneficial for you, then please go for it. Now, everybody knows that multivitamin is an important part of our health and internal health overall. So first thing is, we will look at vitamin A. Vitamin A is also called retinol. Your eyes have light sensitive protein. So this vitamin A supports the membranes of your eyes. Okay, that is why vitamin A is very important. The sources will be your carrots, colorful capsicums, you can have mango, sweet potatoes. Of course, animal sources are also there. You have eggs, you have dairy, you can have tuna. Also organ meats like liver, chicken liver is also very good. Next is vitamin E and C. Now, hear this out. You know, vitamin E is good for your skin. That's found in your nuts, in your badams. But in 2015, there was a meta-analysis which suggests that if you increase your intake of vitamin E, it can prevent ARC or age-related cataract disease. It's not fully proven, but it was just a study done. However, vitamin E is still good for your eyes, skin and hair. There was a longitudinal study done on vitamin C and cataract prevention. So in some studies, they did not find much, but in rest of the studies, there was good evidence that vitamin C to some extent can at least minimize the cataract issues, and of course it can improve your immune functions as well. Vitamin C is easily found in citrus fruits. You know, you can have your lemon, you can have the Mosambik, oranges during orange season. Even chicken liver has vitamin C. Now, as a sound expert, you have to listen to those smaller frequencies, and when you're mixing and mastering, you have to clean up the audio. So technically, your ears and your eyes, your ears, they are your money-making machine. Now, sound above 70 decibel is very harmful. So anything that goes above, say, 80-85 is very detrimental. Now, even if you are sitting at home and your washing machine is making a lot of noise, you know you'll be very irritated, and you listen to construction sounds, those drills, very annoying. You might feel like, okay, I need some peace, that has to stop. But when you listen to airplanes flying in the sky, especially if you are near airports, the jet sounds, they are very, very, very harsh, and you just want to close your ears. If you are a sound producer, you're a sound expert, and you go to the gyms, there are many commercial gyms that have really, really loud noises coupled with people, talking, sound of machines. So because you know your equipments very well, you can invest, you can again get your noise cancelling earphones, use that and still work out. You have to protect your ears when you're not in the studio. When you go out of your studio, out of your work zone, don't plug in earphones and start playing music. You need to be free of those sounds. Maybe close your eyes and listen to the sounds far away. Especially if it's night, if it's quiet time, you need some peace, you need some mental stability. You have to give your ears some rest. Whenever you're taking a break away from your studio, don't get your work into your leisure hours. Your ears, your eyes, and your mental stability has to be in perfect order when you're not working, because in the studio they need your expertise, but outside of your studio you need your fitness. Now, if you're talking of health and wellness in general, you might also suffer from back pain that comes with sedentary work as well. Even people who are sitting for a long time, it could be any sedentary work, even you are sitting for a very long time. You have seen that most of the sound professionals, they will invest in an ergonomic chair. So of course, if you are buying an ergonomic chair, that will support the natural curve of your spine. So you might go to the market and physically inspect that chair, see if it's a right fit for you, and then you can utilize it. Even gamers also invest in ergonomic kind of chairs because they're gaming for a very long time. So if you want to strengthen your back muscles, it is not just the chair, you have to work out as well. You have to strengthen your back muscles, not just back muscle, your entire body. You have to build, make it strong. If you go to the gym on a regular basis, that's very good. Work hard in the gym, take some rest as well along with your studio sessions. Now, whenever you are going running, take care of your ears as well, because you have to have that special awareness. You have to look here and there, you have to look around you, sensitize your eyes and ears with other things whenever you are outside of your studio environment. If you happen to be a sound engineer who is a deadlift lover and you love back workouts, then that's a very good news. Now, this point is important for anybody and everybody, even if you are a sound engineer. That is sunlight. See, if you are inside the room and there is no sunlight source, you cannot have vitamin D from sun sources. Maybe supplements, yes, but you need some sunlight on your skin. Most of your doctors, in fact, every doctor will tell you that you need at least 10 minutes of sunlight on your skin. It doesn't matter what time. Whenever the sun is available to you, 10 minutes on your skin is fine. Now, lack of vitamin D will automatically make you feel very sad. You will have a moody sensation. You will feel weaker. Your bones will be weaker. There will be other biological and hormonal disturbances in your body. Now, our body is also a complex organ. If you do not give certain vitamins and minerals, it will start showing up, it will start acting up, and you will not feel good. If you want to avoid these infections and allergies, so you have to clean your devices as well, including your chair as well. You have to keep it clear of dust if you don't want nasal allergies. I hope this video was informative to you. If you have a friend who is also a sound engineer and you want them to keep making hits for you, please share this video with them, and I will see you in the next video.